Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 9. In the above figure, both RISK and CLUE are parallelograms. Find the value of x. If to find the value of x, let us first name this point as A. Suppose this is A. The value of this point is suppose A. This intersection point is A point. Right? Now in the here figure, solving this way, here you see that here you see this one that in parallelogram in parallelogram in parallelogram RISK angle K plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. The reason is adjacent angles are supplementary. The reason is adjacent angles are supplementary. Angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Now angle K is equal to 120 degree. That is 120 degree plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Or you can say that angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore, the value of angle R is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. Therefore, you see the value of R is equal to 60 degree. Here you see this is 60 degree. And here also you can say that angle R is equal to angle S. Angle R is equal to angle S. That is also 60 degree. The reason is that opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Therefore, this angle is also 60 degree. Here you see this angle is also 60 degree. Here you see this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Right? Now here in this case, in parallelogram CLUE angle L is equal to angle E. Angle L is equal to angle E. That is equal to 70 degree. The reason is opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. The reason is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So we can say that angle E is equal to 70. That is, this one is also 70 degree. This angle is 70 degree. 70 degree. This angle. Now, in triangle EAS or AES, in triangle AES, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree, that is 70 degree plus 60 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree is equal to 180 degree. The reason is that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the angles sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? Now 60 plus 70, that is 0, 130 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 50 degree. Right? This is the answer. The value of x is equal to 50 degree. Right? Again we are repeating. Here you see, this is 120 degree. Angle K and angle R are supplementary angles. Therefore, since this is 120, this is 60 degree. Right? And since the opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram, angle R is equal to angle S. Since this is 60 degree, it is also 60 degree. This angle. Now in this parallelogram, CLEV, this is angle 70 degree. The opposite angle of angle L is angle E. See, this is 70 degree. Angle E is also 70 degree. Right? Now in this triangle AES, 70 degree plus 60 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree, because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 70 plus 60, that is 130 degree, plus x is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 minus 130 degree, that is 50 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 50 degree. Right? The value of x is equal to 50 degree. 50 degree. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.